Hello everyone, and welcome back to another simple tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you two different ways you can put text behind a person using the CapCut app. So I'll start by creating a new project and importing the image that I want to use. Now that my project is on my timeline, the next thing I'm going to do now is to go to text and add the text that I want to be at the back. I'll go to style. You can choose how bold you want your text to be. If you want it smaller, you can choose anyhow you want it to be. You can just play around all these effects and the fonts that are here to choose something you would like. You can choose any color if you want from here. And then I'll go to font. You can play around with your text and decide where you want to place it. I'll go ahead to create a new project again and import the same image. Then I'll go to overlay. Okay guys, you can see that I have added the other text we edited before as the second layer. So I'll go again and add another third layer. While the third layer is still highlighted, I'll go to cutout, remove background. This is one of the ways you can achieve this. Let's go over to the second style. I'll click on new project again. I have options to choose images from my phone gallery, but I'll go to stock videos because I want a plain background. This is a plain background that have been added to our timeline. So I'll go ahead to add the text that I want to put behind the image. So I'll click on text. Then I'll go to style. Resize it anyhow you want, and you can play around the animation, the effects, the fonts to choose anyone you would like. You can play around with all these stuffs and see anyone you like. You can also choose colors from here. And this time around, I'll add this is the image that I want to put a text behind. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on the overlay. I'll add the image again. While the image is highlighted, what I'll do is to bring it over to the overlay section. While it's still highlighted, I'll go to cut out, and then I'll remove the background. The background of the second layer, which is the overlay. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add another overlay, but this time around I am going to add the text that we edited. Go to blend. You can choose filter, or you can choose lighten. And then I'll click on layer. This is it. You have two options that you can choose from now. Anyone that you prefer. You can choose any of them. They both have the same results. You can place the text anywhere you want. If you want it downwards, upwards, at the center, anywhere you want it to be, you can just place your text over there. Alright guys, we have come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you were able to grab one or two. If you gain value at the course of this video, please consider subscribing to this channel and giving this video a thumbs up, as it helps my channel to grow. Thank you very much and see you on my next one. Bye bye.